Welcome to Redline Review. For those who want the best in mobile life, the 2026 Volkswagen High-Performance Motorhome is elegant, cutting-edge, and thrilling. Improving control and performance. This RV has a unique chassis for durability and agility. A sophisticated twin-turbocharged V6 hybrid powertrain produces 500 horsepower and torque for smooth interstate and mountain acceleration. This advanced engine and 10-speed automatic transmission offers seamless changes in fuel economy. Volkswagen's flexible air suspension displays engineering skill in the RV. The advanced system analyzes road conditions and adjusts damping in real time, making even uneven roads smooth and stable. The advanced all-wheel drive AWD system with torque vectoring gives it excellent grip and handling in snowy or loose gravel conditions, and off-road modes enhance its adventure. This massive automobile seems agile and fast thanks to active steering and brake-by-wire. A huge living sanctuary awaits with keyless access for stunning elegance and comfort. Volkswagen's spacious living room shows its innovation. A full-length, electrically controlled, panoramic slide-out part unfolds outward at the touch of a button, creating an open, expansive parlor like a luxury condo. Rich, textured textiles and mood-controlled LED accent lighting decorate the walls, and robust, beautiful, sustainable bamboo floors. A sumptuous, stain-resistant vegan leather U-shaped lounge sofa is the centerpiece. This comfy seating arrangement can entertain a big party and turns into a king-sized bed. A 65-inch 8K OLED TV and high-fidelity surround sound system provide transportable theater from a small cabinet. A magnificent bedroom retreat. The large bedroom suite offers optimum leisure apart from the living space. A California king-size bed with a multi-zone adjustable premium memory foam mattress lets you sleep comfortably in this private sanctuary. Great vistas and privacy with blackout shutters from huge insulated panoramic windows flanking the bed. Fully furnished bedrooms are more than simply beds. A separate workstation with a fold-out desk and charging ports is great for remote work or travel preparation. A full-height walk-in wardrobe with smart lighting, dresser drawers, and clever underbed recesses for bulkier goods give adequate storage. Additional 40-inch smart TV on wall customizes entertainment. Luxury spa-like ensuite bathroom. A sleek LED-lit floating vanity features a designer sink and plenty of toiletry storage. To extend your off-grid time, the RV incorporates a sophisticated water recycling system and a large, odor-free composting toilet. Smart features for easy living integration of smart home technologies throughout the motorhome provides unmatched control and convenience. A central touchscreen interface, voice commands, and smartphone connectivity control multi-zone HVAC. Lighting, customizable ambient and task lighting, entertainment, security cameras, and RV utility systems. An advanced Starlink-like satellite internet infrastructure allows remote connectivity. The 2026 Volkswagen High-Performance Motorhome showcases mobile life with powerful performance, sumptuous luxury, and smart design for the most discriminating adventurers.